Hey Will, how you doing, mate? Gonna come and take a look around our stand here in Stockholm, Sweden. Come and take a little look around. So here we are in Sweden, in the indoor arena, so alongside some really cool brands such as Kawasaki, Suzuki, Honda, CF Moto, and much more. It's been a really fun week in Sweden. We fully enjoyed it. I want to say thank you to a few people and give you a little tour around our stand. So follow me. As you can see here, we've got our extra long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter as well, which Will's going to pan over and show you right now. It's got our new AB Race Cruisers front bumper and grille system on there, which I'm sure we're going to be seeing much more of very soon. As we move on into the stand, we have got this 4x4 Mercedes Sprinter medium wheelbase, which is actually sold, so well done to our super salesman Manfred there for selling that one on the last day actually. But a lot of great interest in that vehicle, and it's not even gone online or been launched yet, so that's really great, and we've had some fantastic feedback on that as well. As we come down the stand here, we can take a look inside to show you some of the new features that are inside this, or some of the features that we think are really cool. You've got this rib bed which makes into a double bed. We've got really cool full leather seating. We've got Webasto diesel night heater, Victron inverter, Victron solar panel, and even got the 12 volt TV there supplied by Autocraft Motor Caravans, our sister company over in the UK. We go over to this side of the stand towards the extra long wheelbase Sprinter. Big shout out to Fredrik Lindgren, appreciate him lending us his bike. He's one of the best motorcycle riders in Sweden, so yeah, super cool to have something like that on our stand here in Sweden. Also, big thank you to these guys at NC Motorina. I can't really say that word, but yeah, goes like that. They've lent us the Yamaha, which is in the back of this extra long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter. Also, huge shout out to Olofsson Auto, and thank you for letting Luke Marcus and Manfred come down and give us an hand in Swedish all weekend. It's been super cool hanging out with them guys here in Sweden for the last 3 or 4 days. We've had some good chats, and we've got some big things coming up as well for Sweden this year. If we just head over here to the back of this extra long wheelbase Sprinter, you can see the Yamaha kindly supplied by Olsson's colleagues there over in No Shopping. We've also got our porta potty box in the back as well, which has been a big hit. Manfred's favourite part of the vehicle, and this is a 2.65 metre garage, which has been again a really big hit down here in Sweden, so you can get snowmobiles inside or a larger road bike. We quickly head around to this side of the stand before we wrap it up. We've got some really cool AB Race Cruisers branding down here at the bottom, and we'd like to give a big shout out as well to Specialised Canvas over in Staveley, which is really close to our HQ, for helping us get these ready. They look fantastic, great printing, great quality product. So yeah, I'd just like to say thank you on behalf of myself, Jonathan. Big thank you to the man behind the camera as well, Will, because he's done a super job on our social media this week. Epic job, not easy putting up with me for a week down here in Sweden. But yeah, again, thank you to everyone who's been and seen us, and hopefully we're going to catch you all again next year and during this fantastic season we have ahead of us.